Hello friends, today I'm going to review my bike, Kona Dew. Before going to the bike, let's talk about the company, Kona. Kona company is a Canadian company and most of them do not know about this company. Actually, they are expertise in touring bikes. Also, they are built high quality trial bikes. So you can see those in Instagram or their website. It's their build quality of the frames is highlighted because they are providing lifetime warranty for their frames. You can see the logo here, Kona. There is nowhere you can see that Kona, only there. It's written there, and you can see the frames. Its build quality is amazing. And here I did some customization for my touring bike to make it as a touring bike. I built my own grip. This is a handmade grip, and also I placed two Decathlon end bars, and I have a bottle holder, extra additional bottle holder added there. So for long distance touring, it's very comfortable and useful. And also I have a mirror. Now comes to the important part of this bike. It's fork. You can see this is not alloy fork, it's a chromoly steel. It's called P2 from Kona. Kona is providing this as a chromoly steel, so that's one of the highlight of this bike. And the second part is its tires. It comes with a WTB horizontal tires, and it's 650B, and this gives you an amazing rolling. And the brakes, you can see it's from Tektro. It's a mechanical disc brake, and the pedals, it's alloy pedals, and it's also from Shimano. And here you can see the rear brakes, it's also Tektro. The cable routing is internal cable routing, and I have added the mudguards. It's from old bike, it's not purchased. The rear derailleur is Altus, and I have got 8 speed. The good part of the bike is it's got mega range. You can see it's here 34 teeth, and here it's 2 speed. And the other thing of this bike, particularly you can see a lot of options for adding the back track, and 2 bottle holders, and extra additional one on the fork. So you can see here also there are additional bottle holder places there. So lot of places we can build it as a touring bike. The other important part is this is another customization date. Kona comes with a normal seat, and I have changed into ABC saddle. It's company ABC, and this saddle, one of my friend, his name is Shashraf. He given me this with a cheap price. So he's already used this for all India tour, and still this seat is intact, and it's very comfortable. And with this, I think I can make it as a touring bike with low cost. I bought it for 43,000, and I did some customization my own. It's not too much, and the seat, it cost around 2k for me. Actual price is 4,800 or something. If you are looking for to build a touring bike, then Kona Dew is one of the best option, because currently you can see Marin Four Corners, it's a touring bike and it's cost around 80 plus, but this will cost around 43, and you can easily build a complete touring bike with this. Here you can see I almost complete my ride around 2700 kilometers. I'm making this review based on that, and it's really comfortable bike. Enjoy biking. Thank you.